Yo, hello everyone, welcome back. And this is your African voice back again. Myself, Gabs Gabi from South Sudan. You're welcome, my brother.
I greet you all, Mohib from Sudan.
Yeah, that is Mohib. And you all know what is trending now in India is Ram Mandir. And I've been following the news, guys, and it is like something great. I can see most of the Hindu people, especially, they are really so happy to hear this news and to see the inauguration and what happened so far. So I read a lot about that. So one video here from India in detail, that is Carolina. Like, I love reacting to her. She always gives informative videos. So the title is, why are they hiding this about Ram Mandir? So I don't know what they are hiding about Ram Mandir. So Ram Mandir is the Hindu temple. Yeah, it's the
I've been heard about that.
Shri Rama temple.
Yeah, Shri Ram.
The Lord Ram. So his temple is called Ram Mandir. Yeah, so we are going to check, and we are so curious also. Without wasting time,
Let's go.
Jai Shri Ram. India is welcoming Ram once
Jai
again.
Shri Ram.
It is Mahadipavali today. And trust me, in this video, what you are going to learn about the temple and the murti can stay with you forever. To start with, why is this Ram Mandir so important? Well, according to the archaeologist K.K. Mohammed, Ayodhya, Kashi and Mathura are three places as important to Hindus as Mecca and Medina are to Muslims. Hence, Muslims should be ready to willingly hand over these places. I mean, how strange does it sound? Why are Muslims supposed to hand over Hindu sacred places to Hindus? In the first place, why are multiple sacred Hindu sites still occupied? Well, it has been observed that because of various Muslim invaders, colonizers and settlers, parts of India were brutally Islamized. And during that Islamification, many Hindu temples and other non-Muslim sacred places were destroyed. Many even describe incidents when mosques were built on top of demolished Hindu temples. Finally, after waiting for hundreds of years, Hindus have their Ram temple. But see, as explained here, there are plans to build a mosque too. Yes, a mosque better than Taj Mahal in the spiritual heart of a sacred Hindu city. That's how liberal and inclusive Hindus can be. But will the Vatican and the people in Mecca and Medina understand this? But this Ram temple is not just for Hindus. It is for everyone who understands what inclusivity means. It is a tribute to the indigenous cultures around the world and a symbol of their resistance against the global conquest-seeking religions. It is a tribute to the Muslims and other groups in Southeast Asia who feel that Ramayana is their heritage too. It is about India's love and respect for Shabri, who they describe as a tribal woman. The city's new airport is a symbol of India's respect and love for Maharishi Valmiki, the sage who is the hero of many in India's marginalized communities. Now let's take a look at this beautiful murti. Not everyone will tell you this, but please observe the color of this statue. Indians who come in multiple skin complexions bow down to their gods whom they perceive in different colors, including black. On the other hand, many in Europe are comfortable only when they imagine a white god. But as explained here, Jesus wasn't white. He was a brown-skinned Middle Eastern Jew. Is it right to say that this temple in Ayodhya is the resilience of the diversity-friendly polytheistic cultures against the diversity-killing monotheistic cultures that invalidate every other path? Is it right to say that it is the victory of those who respect the right to choose from multiple paths against those who want everyone to follow just one path? Is it about the resistance of the pre-Islamic and pre-Christian traditions that have survived the onslaught of monopoly-seeking, global conquest-seeking and diversity-killing monotheistic cultures? Let's not forget that it is India where gods, quite freely, coexist with one another under a single roof of a single temple. And when gods coexist, quite naturally, their followers learn how to coexist too. Diversity, inclusivity, and coexistence are just a way of life in Hindu parlance. Yes, Ram has come, and actually that seems to be a sign of inclusivity. Because when Ram comes, others are not forced to leave. Shiva, Krishna, and Durga can stay in the city too. And guess what? Even those who didn't want Ram to come back can happily stay as well. And by the way, don't forget when Hindus say Jai Shri Ram, it is actually the word Siya that comes first. Sanatan Dharma is special in so many ways. See you again.
Now I understand.
Okay. So now
I understand.
we got to know why it is saying Jai Shri Ram, like everywhere Hindus And she said also this is not only for Hindus, like for all Indian, they have to be happy for that, guys. I know it's specifically concern Hindu religion, and it is something big for them, because I also made one interview in my vlog channel. You can go and check, guys. I have
Gabi
one,
TV.
Gabs Gabi TV. I went to Ram Mandir, that is in Mathura. So I met some people there, mostly Hindu people. So I was interviewing them about the ayodhya, about the Ram Mandir. So they were so happy. They told us like, for them it's like, it's just like something like they were dead and again they reborn them,
Oh.
right? It's just
Yeah,
like
yeah,
someone who was dead for you and again they got born. Like 500 years they have kept this in their heart. Like it is really something big for them. It is really something. And I don't know if you realize this, if you are going around in the area here, you will see that
Yeah.
that flag, that maroon, is it maroon? Not saffron, sorry. Saffron.
Yeah, that's it.
That Lord is there.
Yeah.
So in most of the state,
Lord
all over,
Rama.
they kept that Rama, Shri Rama. Everywhere, they like, the way I see how those people are taking their religions, like, I never see, like, I never
Something
experience,
like this.
like, they, something big for them. Something big for them. And even in
Something
during,
important for
yeah,
them.
it's very important. Like in this, even in this event, so many celebrities went there. Like I saw the actor of Animal, how do you call it? Ranbir Kapoor was
After
there.
500 years.
So many people went, like more than 1 million people. They went there just to witness that. And it was so full. I was like, oh my God, those Hindu people, like, they really love their religion, man.
Yeah.
They love their religion. And
They can spend
I don't
everything
know. Yeah, they
for their
can do
religion.
everything for their religion. I don't know how to explain, but I know if they're watching, they know what I mean.
Yeah.
And it is something great. Like this is what will make the upcoming generation to have the
Yeah.
faith and belief,
Yeah.
and to know about their history of Shri Rama and like that.
Yeah.
So we also reacted to other videos.
Yeah.
How like I'm just there's
Yes.
something I'm shocking about, like how they managed to make this temple, like how, from where they got that much of money.
Yeah.
Because in other news I saw that the government built the temple from single rupees, meaning that the government is not the one who invested in that temple.
Yeah,
Like other people are the one who brought shared the money,
As you
donate
said,
the money
they can do everything for the
the temple. They did everything just for that temple to come back.
Because they are believing in Rama.
Yeah, they believe in that. They want that temple to be back. No matter what will happen, if about money, they will, they pay.
They will pay.
So many rich people in India.
Yeah.
Forget of the politicians. So many
Yeah,
people are there.
politician.
Even the poor, they can donate just for the temple to be back.
They will spend everything.
Everything, because they have the faith and the love for their Lord. So anyway, love from Africa, guys. So something nice to know about. Let us know more, guys. Drop your comment.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's go.